So, welcome to the channel. Let's look if we are online. Yes, a little bit early, 1 minute earlier, but I think you can see my screen. Welcome to my channel. We wanna look today to some cryptos, and I have for you two different cryptos so that you can see the performance. If I offer on my channel a crypto in which I say, okay, 100x, that these kind of cryptos exist, and I want to show you in two examples how far these cryptos can go to the upside. Yeah, some of you not believe, some of you have wrong cryptos selected, not so much good performance cryptos. Yeah, some of you have really good cryptos. Yeah, I'm also surprising how all the cryptos that I would choose, you choose. Yeah. So there's a relative different um, yeah, field of choose crypto. Let's start with the Bitcoin price. Maybe it is for all good here to see the last action. If we looking here to the chart, many people said, okay, we will get here sell-off to 16, 17,000 and everything is over. And I said every time the market will pump, the market will pump. And again, I say today also the market will pump very hard. We have a typical situation here. First, we had here a really big downtrend. Yeah. So this was danger here at these places. Let me look. Let's draw exactly. And we said, okay, was a dangerous situation here. So the market had the situation that we could fall in the past to 24,000. This is the exact area which I mentioned every time and every time and every time. Yeah. But I said also that I not believe in that the price will go to 24,000. So that what I predicted 2 weeks ago. Yeah, that the market will pump is coming true. You can see we go here through this negative trend line, go to the upside, make a retest. Yeah, and I said also if we break here this structure here, yeah, then we will stay here at this level. So this will not hold. I said, okay, you can see break and the retest. Yeah. So if you're asking yourself why the price breaks you down, this is a manipulation. Yeah. So you have to buy the lesson training from my side that you understand why we're going here to the downside. For me, it's relatively clear. We have here the middle line, and for people who not understand the reading of the chart, they get here fear that the markets will collapse to the downside. But for people who look to the chart every day, this is a typical ending formation. Let's look. So this is a typical ending formation, and we are out of range. That means I'm not calculating anymore that the market collapse here to the downside. If this is happening, okay, 26,000. But in my eyes, I see clear this structure to the upside. Yeah, very strong, very, very strong. So we're looking here. I will look to Bitcoin later again. Yeah, but for you, maybe the title was interesting. yeah, a horse and a donkey. Um, Again, some of you have really good cryptos that will explode really hard to the upside, but sometimes in choosing of these cryptos, you select maybe the wrong. Um, you select maybe the 20x, 30x, yeah, but not the 150x or not the 100x, yeah, in which you can make more profit. And today we want to focus, I want to give you two examples. We start with zero. Yeah, this is a DeFi crypto in which I believe this can pump really hard to the upside. I also made in the past 100x videos, yeah, in which I offer this to my subscribers outside of YouTube. Uh, in this example, I want to show you how far this crypto can go, yeah, so that you understand if I offer a 100x video analyze, how far this crypto can go. So if I asking you, then you would say, okay, the price is coming from $14 and now we sitting here on 007. So now you have maybe fear and say, if I invest, then this is going to 001. Let's look if this is coming true or not. Yeah. So we zoom in. Yeah. There you can see a wonderful downtrend. Look here. Wonderful, wonderful, really good, wonderful. Look. Yeah. What kind of information you can see here? Yeah. What kind of information? You can see that we are sitting here on the border here. And exactly this here is the end information what give us the sign, okay, you have to invest. Yeah. And this is a very, really positive formation in which we can read the chart and say, okay, the price will explode here. We will stay here at this level is 15 cent. Yeah. And then we get also the information that we have here an inverse spike. Yeah. This spike is relative aggressive. Yeah. This is a sign for us, okay, something big is coming. Yeah. And this will take us, you will not believe this will take us this spike with this formation and this formation and this formation will take us in direction of, let me look, to areas of $1. Yeah, if you believe or not. Yeah, you can see here you can have here nearly 10x. Yeah, so I think from this point the price have to come back because this is not normal if the price is going to from 0.06 to $1. But in the end of the day, we will sit here on this left shoulder in which we can say, okay, we have a good base. Yeah, we are here now in this channel. And this is wonderful. If you see a formation like this, the price will fly. Yeah, we will sit here on these levels. And from this point, I think we need a little bit, the price will go up and down, a little bit boring. Then many of the people will say, okay, where's the 100x? Yeah. In real, we prepare the 100x here. We have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and the second round is or will begin in direction of $3-4. You will also recognize here that we have to sell here at these levels because this is too much. Yeah. So calculate here 50% drop or more. Fibonacci level 0.61. Yeah. And that means we have to come to these levels downside here to test the level here. We have a good support from this side. You can see also the range, retest, and the bottom. Yeah, we're pendling here between this between these levels. Yeah, and then it's really getting interesting. I have to zoom out. So you can see we will get this formation here. Yeah, so very interesting formation. This here is not good. The price will go to the downside. Yeah, we have not the point in which we can say we have to come here to the upside. Yeah, from this point, again, the rocket starts here to these levels, and we will get a formation this like this. So now it's getting interesting. Why is so interesting if we reaching these levels? Um, I explain you this. I explain you this. If you looking from here, from this perspective, exactly this place here. From this place, we had extreme manipulation to the downside. Yeah, the market looked from $10 to 0.007. From this point is only manipulation. Yeah, and you can find out this if you analyze this in segment to segment and the segment. Yeah, experience. You get this in my channel for free. And if you want to understand this structure, then you have to look to the Bitcoin chart. Yeah. Then you will recognize that we have here the Bitcoin price a formation like this. Yeah. And you will see also in the Bitcoin chart uptrend like this. Yeah. I make this in green that you understand this. Yeah. That means if the Bitcoin price goes to 80,000, then you will see that this year will turn out in direction of $25. Yeah. Is this the end? No. We know from the Bitcoin price, this is the neckline here. I go back to Bitcoin that you understand what area I mean. Yeah. So I mean exactly, let me look and zoom in. I mean this place exactly. Yeah. Exact on this place, the uptrend goes through. Yeah. That means if Bitcoin reached the 80,000, yeah, then we will stay at $25. That means this is our neckline. We have a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation, and it can happen. Yeah, we don't know at the moment because from this point the wells will start here 50% drop. That means to $12. Very panic situation will occur. Yeah, and from this the price will break, and I think in direction of $50. Yeah. Can we read the $50 at the moment? No. What clear is direction to $25, but it is relatively clear if we reaching the $25 that the next point is $50. So we're looking here to the yes, this is a DeFi crypto, yeah. So exact in this way, I offer the 100x cryptos in which I say, okay, which crypto has the power, and this is a complete different view to your crypto in which you are happy that you can make 10x or 20x. This is a special structure here, and this is extreme manipulated to the downside. That is not normal that something goes from $13 to 0.007. This is so cheap, and this is so obviously, this is jump in my eyes. Yeah? And such cryptos I already offered. I will offer also this weekend and in the next days so that you get these cryptos for your portfolio. This was a DeFi crypto. Now we're looking to the next crypto. This is a Launchpad crypto. Yeah, also a very gem. This is massive. If you look here to the formations, uh, this is this is relative crazy. You can see also the similar behavior what we saw in the DeFi project. Yeah, the negativity is here. Okay, we are still in a negative channel, but if we zooming relative exactly and really zoom in, yeah, then we can recognize something happening here. Something happens here, and we can see that the negativity, yeah, if you make here a negative trend line to the downside, then you can see that we are already out of range. If you adjust and make here this triangle, then you can see we are finished. Yeah, the price will explode from this triangle to the upside. And I said also before, this is here a really good ending formation, and this is you can find the money on the street. Yeah, so you have to understand that we will pump really hard. Let's zoom out, and then uh, we're looking here to the performance. Yeah. Maybe you want the name from this crypto. This is called Sava. Yeah, I will write this below this video later. Then you can see this. You get this free from my site, but I will offer like this crypto, a lot of cryptos where you can get this informations also. Yeah. So we're looking to this formation. I'm honest to you. This is crazy. This is crazy. I saw a lot of cryptos, but this is one of the craziest. You can see the all-time high was here at $20. Now we are at 25 cent. Yeah, this is crazy. We know from $20 until here is total manipulation. Yeah, and the uptrend begins not at 25 cent. The uptrend, yeah, goes from here. And again, the example with the Bitcoin price, we can say sure that if the Bitcoin price goes to 80,000, that the price of Sava will hit $80. Yeah, this is crazy. This is yeah. If you're looking here to this chart, then we can recognize this really clear. Let's look and find out the turning points. So from this point, I expect that the neckline will break. That means the price have to jump to these levels. If we're jumping to these levels, we have not the condition for a breakout. That means the price have to come back. Yeah. Then it's relatively clear that we will break here this structure. The price will go to $3. From $3 we have not so good formation. We have a resistance here. So the price have to come back to the downside. Yeah. You can see, you will see a formation like this. This is also a wonderful formation. We have here our hammer. And that means from this point, the next logical point is exactly this. You can see a lot of tests. This is an important area. So we have to jump to these levels and make here our moves, like this. So at the end of the day, we can delete this, that you're not confused. So in the end of the day, we have to come to $20. So this is our next point. And if you look, we have here the situation that we built here a hammer. And this is extreme bullish, so that we can sit here on this level. And if you see a formation like this, left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation, then you know, okay, the price will explode to these levels here. We said, okay, if the Bitcoin price goes to 80,000, then we have to pump in levels of 80, 60. Yes, it will come. Why? Because this here, what you see from here is only manipulated, yeah? Here, this is all manipulation. Forget this. This manipulation is not the part of the chart, yeah? So that is relatively easy for me to read the chart, because I say, okay, who cares? I know from this point manipulation starts, so I will not see the manipulation. I want to look to the place. Yeah, I know also the Bitcoin chart is looking like this, so this is for me easy to understand this. Yeah, I'm not only looking to this place. I adjust this and make um, how can I say, predictions and adjustments with the Bitcoin chart. So now from this point, then we know, okay, if we hit the $23 level, then the next logical point is $80. Yeah. So these cryptos has a lot of potential, and these cryptos all also made to make really profits, because the big whales have here a strategy. They want your money. They want that you invest. And if this crypto is pumping, yeah, 10 or 5 or 10 cryptos, yeah, and they say, okay, launchpad cryptos will fly or flying, then everybody will invest in this launchpad or DeFi. Yeah. So the money is coming, and that's the reason why they made here aggressive cryptos that you should invest. So we're looking here to the chat. Thank you for the for coming in the live stream. What is your wish? What I can do for you? Yeah. So let's look to 134 cryptos. Yeah. Let's look to Sen. I hope it is working. Last time I think was this not the case. Yeah. So I'm honest to you. If I look to this chart and compare this with the another chart what I showing you, then I see this performance not here. I not see this the same performance. It's a good crypto. The price will also fly, but not in the case what we see or saw in the two other cryptos. Yeah. If you look to this has also a good structure. This is a typical buy area. Yeah, the really good bull run will start. We have a left shoulder hat and right shoulder formation. If you zoom in, then you can recognize wonderful here. Wonderful, really wonderful. And the price has the power to go here 10x. Yeah, you can see the compare. You have here 10x and another crypto you have here 100x or 200x. Yeah, this is a different between my selection and your selection. Is also good. I'm not saying this is bad. Yeah, but in the end of the day, this has not the similar power what I selected. So what I can say here, see, is that we have here the energy to go here to 5 to 6,000. Yeah, then it's a little bit tricky because a lot of manipulation is here in this chart, so I'm not calculating with a really good pump. We need a little bit time, yeah, and then we have to look to the chart again, yeah. Now we can say, okay, this is coming from 100,000, but I'm honest to you, at the moment I not see this, yeah. I see only to place to 6,000, and then we have a horrible negativity here. You can see the price is jumping very hard to the downside, so that I calculate that we will get here long-term sideways movement. So looking here to the next, I will make here 2, 3, 4 cryptos. Um, yes, Phantom as next. Also a wonderful structure. We have here the situation, the ending formation is here. Um, I would say if you're looking here to the chart, then you will relative recognize that Phantom tests here his lows. Yeah, let's zoom in very detailed. Then you can see we have here a wonderful situation. You can see the price is going here to the downside. We are out of range, and we have a really good structure from here that will take us to this place. And you will see at the end of the day something like that. If the price is going to $37, 37 cent, yeah, then it is a little bit late, yeah, to invest here really hard, because then it will go relative quick to the upside. Look how beautiful is that. This is crazy, people. You are all too late. You have invest now. It's not financial advice, but this is a place. That's the reason why I make here a live stream, that you understand that now is the right time. It's not really not financial advice. It can also happen that there will start here really good sell-off, yeah. But in my eyes, I do not see this. Yeah, so I see here a wonderful structure. This will also not hold here. Um, if you look into this structure, then you can see this is not the place in which we have to break out. So the sell-off will start here. So you have maybe the possibility here to get in the chart or in this formation relative cheap again. Yeah, so 60, then down to maybe 45, 50. Yeah, and then it will go relative quick if they not manipulate that the next level of a phantom is here $1. Yeah, but $1 is the neckline. Here I stop. Please request this in the membership to get here really hard upside targets. Let's look here to DGB, Gigabyte. Let's look. Yes, you can make a lot of profit with the Digibyte. Is relative cheap. You have here a really good structure. Yeah, you can see here the free tests. This is a condition for a bull run. Yeah, you will not recognize Digibyte again. If we're talking about here, the target is not the end target what I wanna draw here in the channel. I make here a quick and dirty analyze that you understand that the 18, 19 cent is only the neckline. This will not hold, the price will explode. So relative cheap situation to get here in the Digibyte. with a really good focus to the upside. Yeah. So I want to look after the live stream to Digibyte. This is relatively cheap. This you can buy. It's not financial advice, but you can buy with relative cheap money a lot of from Digibyte. And this is the benefit. Some of you are asking me, yeah, can I buy your 100x later? Yes, you can buy the 100x later, but the focus is we are here in a good place. So you have here relative um, few range to the downside. Yeah, so we are at the end. So you can see we are here on the ground. So what kind of downtrend should happen? We are at the ground. So the next step is, yeah, at this moment, if you give your money to a blind chicken, yeah, and the blind chicken invests here in this Digibyte, even this blind chicken can make profit. Yeah. So is this a relative good place to invest and the minimum risiko so that we know, or I know here from this chart that we have here really good potential to the upside, and the 23 cent is only the neckline. That means it will break to the upside, and please request Digibyte in the membership to get your end targets that you know, okay, how far this can go. Also, people wake up if you get here in the free channel 20x, so a little bit thinking. So, what is your wish? Let's look to this here. Let's find here a good chart. Vera City. Yes, also a good chart. The reason why this is a good chart is um, this chart give us a sign, yeah, and say, okay, I'm ready to pump. I'm ready to pump. You can see this hammer here, this here. Here in the chart, you have to be here very careful, or you have to look here. How can I say a little bit exact? This here is an inverse left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. If the whales want here a really good manipulation, they could dump the price to easily to 0026. Yeah, this is a place I not like. This is a place in which I see, okay, the price will pump, but we have here two options: direct or from the ground, like this. Yeah, at the end of the day we will see a formation like this. The price will pump. This is not the question here. But let's look here more inside. Personally, I not believe that the price will go here to 0026. Yeah, but it makes me a little bit fear if I see a formation like this, especially if this last segment is taken to the upside. Yeah? You know, after the upside, the downside is coming. But personally, if I analyze this really exact in detail, then I not see the downtrend. Let me look. You can see we are out of range. Then the sideways movement is beginning here. Let me look. Give me a second. Let me look. Yes, we have to look for, yes, yeah, clear. The price will pump. We have a wonderful structure here. You will see this will happen like this. Yeah. So you can see from top down, from top negativity you can see. But if you look here to the chart and exactly, and if you know that this is our last segment, then it's relatively easy to predict because we are here at the end. So what kind of manipulation can happen? Yeah. So we're looking here to the next. Let's look here to GT. Oh, oh, this is crazy what is coming. So this is really good. Yeah. We are ready to test. The next level is 18 cent. We will get here left shoulder, hat, and the right shoulder formation. The most of the people will jump in here at these levels, yeah, because from this level we will go relatively quick to 0.26 cent. And if you look to this here, then the condition for breakout is not fulfilled at the moment. Yeah, so we have to go once to the downside like this, and then if you see a formation like this, then there's no financial advice, then you have to jump here in this crypto because this is a condition, this is a hammer, and this is a condition for really a good breakout to the upside. Yeah, you can see the next point is in direction of 50 cent. Yeah, and if we talking about the performance of this crypto, yeah, if you're asking me, Wolf, is this a crypto that can make here 100x? I have to calculate this. Give me a little bit time. I will calculate this if this 100x crypto or not. I calculate this. No, this is a 20x crypto. Yeah, and such information is also good crypto. The price will fly. Yeah, but this is not this kind of cryptos that will give you 100x. Yeah, and again, the price will fly. Yeah, you will make here also profits, but we can say here to this crypto at this moment is not visible that this crypto can make 100x. And exactly this is the difference because some of you have really good cryptos in their portfolio. And imagine one investor has only 100x cryptos, and you have in your portfolio only 10, 20x cryptos. It's also good. Yeah, you can drive also a Volkswagen, but if you want to drive a Ferrari or a Bugatti, then you have to select other cryptos. Yeah, this is a different. Some of you want only drive Volkswagen. It's okay. Yeah, but some of you uh, want to buy a big house or want to drive a Ferrari or Bugatti, then you have to select the 100x. Yeah, this is the different. We can see here clear it has potential to the upside. Um, I will update also this crypto. Yeah, it has potential. I'm not saying this has that this crypto has not the potential also. This crypto has potential, but if you compare with other cryptos that are really crazy, then this can make here 20x in this range. So we're looking here to the next. I will make so two free. I would recommend it for you the Wolf End Target membership to get here the end targets to make profit. Yeah, you have to invest now, not investing here if it is coming to 50 cent. Yeah, so it's a different if you buy here 10,000 pieces or if you buy here only 1,000 pieces. Be smart. This is a good place to buy. You have here a wonderful retest level. Yeah, but give us a signs. Okay, something big is coming. So if the market pumps to 50 cents, then it's not so interesting. You have to go to your bank to get their money, or you need then more money. Yeah, this make no sense. You have to invest now to get here the profits out. Yeah, and let the market go here to the downside and invest again. So no financial advice. You are old enough. You decide by yourself. Let's look. What was the next? Yes, we're looking here to this. I would make here 2 or 3 cryptos. Then I would finish. This is a good crypto. You can see a good crypto on the performance. Here, the price was here 0.007. Price pump to this level. This is a really good sign. You can see the pre-step was very successful. Now you can see the manipulation, and you can see also that our last step here, in the last step, this crypto made a really good performance. Look, from 0.002 to 0.003. That means the condition for outbreak is fulfilled. Our next level is this. Yeah, we will touch this one time. The price have to come back, and then really this will explode from here. Why? Then we fulfill the condition for a breakout. Yeah? We will leave this channel here and then go to the next channel. And the next channel is very, very high. That means we have to fly to levels of, let me check, here in direction of 10 cent. Yeah, and the game is again to the downside. Observe this. Yeah, and from this point we will touch this level here. Also good condition here. Also really good condition, really good condition, really good condition. This will not hold it. That means the next level is to break out the whole structure to the upside. And if we looking here to the spikes here, then I calculate really high prices. So we're looking here to the next 2, 3, and then I would finish. So let's look to, I not see this before though. Let's look to this. So in this crypto, we have now a situation, we have not the past. Yeah, we can adjust this and say, okay, we have experience from the Bitcoin chart, but we have to look here to the Bitcoin chart exactly. You can see March 2020, this crypto starts. Yeah, we're looking here to the Bitcoin chart, March 2020. Okay, now I understand. We are exactly on this place here. You can see the downtrend. And if we are looking to this chart here, you see the exact similar downtrend. Yeah, downtrend, downtrend. Yeah, and you can see we have a formation like this. So that means the uptrend goes to these levels. In the theory, we have then the possibility that the price is flying to 12 cent. Yeah. Now, not everything is good. Yeah. So now we have to look to the manipulations. This is too easy if we say, okay, the price can fly to these levels. Now we're looking here exact in details, in which we can say, okay, makes sense or not sense. Yes, if we look into this structure, this is a wonderful structure, so that we can say relative sure that the price will go here to 5,000-6,000 levels. Yeah, and further, we have here a wonderful structure. We have a really good uptrend, so that we can really pump to the next level. What I not like is that we have here a little bit manipulation. Yeah. So that I think after, for example, manipulation is this spike here to the downside, you can see a lot of sell-off is happening. So I not believe in that we have here a point in which you can stay. Yeah? So I see to this structure like that, then we can expect that the downtrend will continue, test the low levels here, and then it's getting interesting. The next logical point is in direction of 0,012. Let me look. So then let me look. We have a lot of manipulation here. So I believe the price will go more sideways. So like this, nothing will happen, yeah, like this. And then we see that the uptrend goes through 12 cent, that the price will pump straight. Yeah. But I'm honest to you, I would avoid such cryptos. It's also good. You can make a lot of profits, but these small cryptos are in the often manipulated. Yeah. So I would look to the cryptos that have really a good structure, not beginning at the April, but it's also good. I'm not saying this is negative. Yeah. So we're looking here to chilies, or what is your wish? Let me look. Let me look to the beginning. Thank you for joining. Yeah, I know your wish is that I analyze every crypto, but you can see a lot of requests is coming here in this channel. Let me look to the next. What we have here. Let me look. We make uh, chilies, and then I would say Theta. So I'm honest to you. If I look to this, this is crazy. I not, how can I say? I said this every time and every time and every time. Uh, People who have open eyes, they see that this structure is not normal. Yeah, you can compare this structure. Yeah, maybe that you understand what I have not analyzed this, because it's so obviously that this crypto will fly. Yeah, even a blind chicken can see this. This point is exact this point here. Here. We are exactly on this point here. Yeah. So you see, we built here the structure, and then it's getting here, or happening here relatively quick. Relatively quick. You can see the doubling of the price. And then most of you will say, okay, it's only the first pump. Yeah, I have a little bit time. I shift this money to other cryptos and so on. Then you can see it's getting, well, it's going relatively fast after the last retest. A horrible uptrend happening. Yeah, and exact this uptrend I see here, we will see a straight line. Yeah, you will see a formation like this, that the price is going straight to the upside. Yeah, $1 is peanuts. Request chilies in the Wolf end price target, the price will explode. Yeah. So we're looking here to back to this. One subscriber has here a question. We're looking here to this. No, this what you request, yeah, Ashemi pay is not 100x. This is in my eyes, I would say 20 to 30x. Yeah. Let's calculate, yeah, before I say here something. Let's calculate. I would say if we looking here exactly, then I see here 15 to 20x. This is not 100x. So we're looking here to the next. The next I have to look. So the next was, first was Chile. The next was, yes, yes, helium. Let's look the helium. So a very manipulated chart. If I look to the chart, it's not fair. Yeah, you can see the price is coming from $60, and the price is here at the moment $1. And if I look to the chart, I understand the chart. It's not fair. Yeah, people who not understand the chart and they see here this the horrible formation, they have fear to get here in the helium. In real, we are here at the point. The manipulation is end. Yeah, that means we have here typical ending formation. This is a W pattern. The price have to fly to $3, and this will not hold here. You can see the whales manage this so in the case here in this case that the people have fear to get in the market. Nobody would invest here in helium. Yeah, because they see this that the price is coming from $60 and they say, okay, if I invest, this is going to 50 cent. But in real, the price will pump if they not manipulate. Yeah, then the next case is this here. We build here left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. The price will fly to $12, and from this point we have a wonderful structure. So I'm not see here any negative point. Yeah, it's relative good. And let's look if this 100x or not. Let me look. If we adjust a little bit and calculate, if you're saying this is going to this level, yeah, this is coming in near 100x. If you want, I can make here analyze exact, and we can find out this. This is a relative good crypto. I will look after the live stream to helium exactly. Yeah, if you are interested to find here the end target, it is a good crypto. Yeah, so near 100x. But if I analyze, then I can give you here the exact 100x value. Let's look here to the next two, and then I would finish. I want not boring my subscribers. Yeah. So last two, what kind of crypto I should analyze? Thousand X is not possible because the whales don't want that you should make money. Yeah, so they are not stupid. Yeah, they make 10x cryptos, then they make 50 10x cryptos, then they make 100x, maybe 200x, but then it's finished because they don't want that you get or become a billionaire. Yeah, so that you, yeah. Let's look here to the last two. Let's look. One is good here. I like this. We take ICX. So this is a wonderful, good crypto. Let me look. This is crazy. I compare this like XRP. Yeah, this is a exact chart like XRP, and I expect here really good pump to this place. So we will see here higher prices. So this is no question for me to analyze this because the structures are so obviously that we have to pump. Yeah. You can see also the last retest here. So nothing to say here, the price will pump. Yeah. But James, if you want here really exact analyze, then come in the Wolf end price target. Then I can show you how far this crypto can go. Here in the free channel, you can see the $4 is in my eyes peanuts. Yeah. I know it is, if you look here to the chart, then you see, okay, 20 cent, $4, this is huge. Yes, I know. But I'm asking you, uh, do you also imagine here, or did you, well, can you imagine your that the price was here also 20 cent, and you can see how quick this is going to the upside. And we know that this here is the pre-step before the really step is coming. So everything is, yeah, playing out or turning out. So I would make here the last crypto. Then I would finish. Please become a member. Request this. Yeah, this is the right time. And I think it has a kind of value if you know how far your crypto can go. Your invest behavior is totally different. Yeah, if you are a beginner, then you say, okay, the price is going from $3. I have to look that I not invest here $10,000 because you have fear that this is going can go here to 15 cent. But in real, the price will fly, yeah, to $3, $4 levels. So let's look here to the last crypto. Should we look to QNT? So, so QNT is relative clear from the chart technical point of view. Imagine one info for you. You have to look to this, and you have to look to this. What kind of information you can see here? I asking you. Now you give me the answer. Huge triangle, and this triangle ends in levels of or timeline 14th of July. Yeah, that means we not need here the whole time. I think we will go out of range like this. Yeah, if you see this, that we going out of range, that means the price will fly. We have here the situation that we have the possibility to test this level. Then I think the whales can manipulate this a little bit to the downside, we have to look. Yeah, so if the Bitcoin price goes to 35,000 and you see that QNT price is not going forward and staying here at these levels, then the possibility to dump is higher. So I think we could get a formation like this, because I not like here this formation, I not like this formation. Yeah, so in my eyes, no potential in which I say the price will pump here directly. So I think what I see here, we have the possibility pump from here. Then it's getting interesting, in which we can say that here we have a left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and we could test here this level again. Yeah. So for the end target, please request this in the Wolf end price target to see how far we can go. It's relative good crypto, so it's a crypto in which we can recommend this. So I would say I'm finished. If you have wishes, please request this in the Wolf end price target, Wolf next target. Um, Support the channel, share the videos, become a member. There are a lot of benefits, also bonus video analysis. If you want the 100x cryptos, these are outside of YouTube. You can request this in the via Twitter to me, and then I can search for you the best 100x, more than 100x cryptos. And it's also I wanna this also search for myself to find out the 100x. Yeah, I will begin today and will make over the weekend really good 100x crypto so that you can use this for your portfolio. Yeah, so it's a different if you invest here in 10x or 20x, or if you invest in 100x, in which you are sure that will bring you a lot of money. Yeah. Thank you for your text. I have at this moment, in the next 10-15 more minutes, not so much time. Yeah, but you can request this via Twitter. You can request over the channel you wish. Then I can look which crypto you need. Then I can support you. So I would say have a nice day. See you later. And I'm happy to make for you the 100x cryptos, because this has really good performance to the upside, and I wanna also that you make a lot of profit. Yeah, because then you can say there's a channel of trading that gives us really good information about pumping, and it's also good for me also. So thank you, have a nice day.